In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to replace wet signatures for client documents and why this method can save you time and streamline your workflow. If you've been struggling with the old-fashioned way of getting signatures, you'll definitely want to stick around for this quick guide. First, why replace wet signatures? The main reason is convenience. Gone are the days of printing out documents, signing them, scanning, and sending them back. With digital solutions, you can sign and manage documents in a few clicks, saving you hours and reducing the risk of mistakes. Now let's dive into how to replace wet signatures. The easiest way to do this is by using eSignature software. There are many options out there, but after trying the most popular ones, we've found the software that stands out. I'll walk you through how to set up and use it effectively. The first thing you'll want to do is upload your document to the software. It's usually as simple as clicking an upload button, selecting your file, and waiting for it to load. The software we're using today makes it that easy. Once the document is in place, you can begin adding signature fields for your client. Now here's the part where most people get confused. You need to ensure that the signature field is placed where you want your client to sign. Just drag and drop the signature field onto the document where you want it. And don't worry, you can also add other fields like dates, initials, or checkboxes, depending on your needs. Once the signature field is in place, you'll send the document out to your client. With the software we're using, it's just a matter of entering their email address and the document is on its way. Your client will receive a notification, and with just a few clicks, they can add their signature digitally. It's quick and simple. If you're wondering if the signature is legally binding, the good news is that yes, e-signatures are legally recognized in many countries, including the US, under laws like the eSign Act and UETA. So you don't have to worry about the legality of using e-signatures to replace wet signatures for client documents. Now, if you want to follow along, I've provided an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. To wrap up, let's quickly go over the main steps. First, upload your document into the software. Then, drag and drop the signature fields where you need them. Send the document to your client, and they can sign it digitally with ease. And remember, e-signatures are legally valid, so you can trust them for your business needs. The key takeaway here is that replacing wet signatures with digital ones can save you tons of time and streamline your entire document process. Make sure you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.